Please, thank you, excuse me too. Magic words for me and you. Kind and friendly all day long. Sing with us and join the song. When you ask for something new, say please. It's kind to do. A little word, but oh so strong. It makes the world sing along. When someone helps or gives a hand, say thank you. It's really grand. A little kindness goes so far, like a bright and shining star. If you bump or need a space, say excuse me, that's the way. It shows respect, it's kind and true, and friends will do the same for you. Please, thank you, excuse me too.